Factors that can affect your insurance premium. Number 4. Location. Taking a deeper look.
Other factors that can raise insurance premiums are location of your house. What does this mean? Well, whenever an insurance company is looking at it, it's not like technically what city are you in? Baltimore, Canal Winchester, Columbus, Groveport, Grove City, Lithopolis. Those are towns, obviously, cities. But what the main thing is how close is your property to a fire station? And is the fire station a full-time fire station or is it a volunteer? Today we see a lot more of the full-time stations and not so many volunteer stations. In each county and township, they seem like they're building more and more fire stations. And some of this, I think, comes to this here, and that's your protection class that you live in. It's how far are you away from a fire department, and how many units are at that fire department, and how quickly do they respond as well. Another factor that goes into that is, do you have fire hydrants around your house? Is it less than 1,000 feet from your house to a fire hydrant, or is it over 1,000 feet? Over 1,000 feet from a fire hydrant can make your insurance premiums be higher. Also, even whenever you get down to the protection class, whenever you're looking at distance to a fire department, there's many different factors on miles, and then it rates on different protection classes, being 1 is like the best, most protected, then it goes all the way up to a protection class 10, which is not protected. Where you run into the issue is at a protection class 9 or 10, it's like 6 miles or farther away from a fire department would throw you into protection class 9 or 10, which basically means unprotected. So there's a lot of companies that do not write protection class 10s, especially in today's market. But there are also companies that do that, that do look to insure, but typically the premiums are higher whenever you're farther away, because farther away means a higher percentage rate of risk of where we would totally lose the property if a fire did start. So that does come into play whenever you are looking at your home at raising insurance premiums. You're looking to buy a property, not telling you not to buy a house out in the country, but just know I would check with your insurance agent whenever you're looking to buy this house or whatnot to see if that will cause an issue with your current carrier that you have now, or a future carrier, or if they have access to companies that can insure properties in a protection class 9 or 10, because not all companies can do that. The location of your property, the location of where you live at can increase your premium, not only on your home, but also on your auto as well. Some home based, if they have a large loss experience due to weather-related storms and things of that nature from past, could determine higher rates on home policies. Also with auto, if your location is higher populated than another place, it can cause you to have higher insurance premiums, because more people driving, more probability of an accident occurring as well. But if you live out in the country or something of that nature, not saying that your premiums are going to be any less at all, but there is a tendency, if it's out in the country, because of the less people living there, less people on the roads, less probability of an accident occurring.
This concludes our talk on different factors that can raise your home insurance premium. Our contact information is listed in the description below. If you have any questions at all, please contact us.